Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet in a PDF file format. So if you have a Google Sheets spreadsheet that you want to print or get it in a PDF file format for any other reason, then here's how to download the Google Sheets spreadsheet as a PDF file. So all you have to do is open up the Google Sheets spreadsheet you want to download as a PDF file. So in this example we're going to use this project management sheet. And of course, make sure that the Google Sheets spreadsheet is optimized for a PDF file format. And then all you have to do is click on File in the menu bar, then go to the download, hover over that, and then you will see that you have 6 options to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet. You can download it in Excel, HTML, CSV, TSV, or PDF file format. So in this case, we want to select PDF here. And we will see how the PDF will look like. And as you can see, this is what the PDF would look like. We can make some adjustments here, so fit to width, fit to height, fit to page, normal, portrait or landscape mode. We can change the margins. We can change what part of the Google Sheets worksheet we want to export to a PDF, so we can select current sheet, workbook, or selected cells. Then once you're okay with this, click on export. And as you can see, downloading PDF. So now this Google Sheets spreadsheet is being exported to a PDF file. Then we have to select the folder we want to download this PDF file to. As you can see, download started. So as you can see, here's the folder where we downloaded the PDF. This is the one. We can open it up and check it out. So now this is how to download a Google Sheets spreadsheet as a PDF file. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.